Welcome to session 3. Now we often confuse mobility with flexibility. While they are both mutually exclusive, flexibility really refers to the length of muscle and mobility refers to the range of motion every joint in your body can attain. Now with a lot of mobility workouts that you do, you can definitely achieve a good amount of flexibility. Let's get straight into the movements. Round 1, movement 1, world's greatest stretch. Well, I'm sure it's called that for a reason. Now, instructions first. Go down to a high plank, arms right beneath your shoulder. Bring one leg outside of your one arm, as close to the arm as possible. Now, take your elbow down to the ground and all the way up. Back again and up. We're going to do this 30 seconds on each side. Are we ready? Let's go. Down and up. Now, if your elbow does not touch the ground, it's okay. Get as low as you can, but ensure your back is flat at all points. Do not hunch too much. Again, keep your head aligned with your spine. Let your eyes move with the hands. Your leg at the back must be extended out straight. Do not bend the knee or drop it down on the floor. Nice work. And switch side. Bring the other leg outside of the arm or at least close to the arm. Elbow down and up. Breathe, inhale and exhale. Movements like this work on the entire body, work on the range of motion, and is a brilliant warm-up for any workout. Keep moving and done. The second movement is the butt kick, quite literally. Keep your feet comfortably apart. Now you're going to raise one leg up at a time, and every time you raise your leg, your heel must touch the butt, or at least close to touching the butt. All right, are we ready? And go. One leg at a time, back straight, look ahead, bring your heel close to the butt. Yeah, you could be touching the butt. And you will feel your heart rate go up gradually. Absolutely fine. Mobility movements can take the heart rate up as well. Come on, this one's working the hamstring, working the calf, but also a lot of mobility around the knee. And if you find a lot of stiffness around the knee, this is a good one. Nice, keep going. We're doing good. 10 seconds to go. Come on. Back straight. And done. The third movement is the tabletop. Sit down on the floor, keep your feet flat on the ground, your arms close to the butt. Now, raise your hips up towards the ceiling. Yes, head to knee, one straight line, and bring it back down. Now, do this at your own pace for 1 full minute. Are we ready? Let's go. Feet flat on the ground at all points. Your palms flat on the ground at all points. Raise up and down. Up and down. When you're up, eyes on the ceiling, gap between your chin and chest. If you cannot attain one straight line, head to knee, it's fine. Go as high as you can. Lift your hips off the ground. Brilliant. Again, this movement is working the entire body. Right from the shoulder joint to back, chest, your abs, hips, glutes, all of it. Keep moving. 10 seconds. Come on. You can get 2 more. Down and up. Breathe and done. Round 2, movement 1, world's greatest stretch. Are we ready? 30 seconds on each side and go. Elbow down to the ground or closer to the ground, and then take your arm all the way up towards the ceiling. A nice T-spine rotation there. It's certainly called world's greatest stretch for a reason. It's really working and stretching the entire body. Change side. Come on. Again, back flat. Ensure the leg in front, the knee bent. Let the knee not travel ahead of the toes. Foot flat on the ground in front. And your leg at the back fully extended. Keep moving at your own pace. And done. Second one is the butt kick. Time to take the heart rate up. 1 minute and go. Come on. You can start slow. You don't necessarily have to start hitting the butt right from the get-go. But if you are, great, keep moving. Brilliant. Look straight, back straight. You don't need to move your shoulders or chest in any direction. Keep your upper body nice and firm and just keep moving those legs. Brilliant. Breathe. Inhale and exhale 10 seconds. Right breathing can help you sustain a movement longer. And done. The third one is the tabletop. Down on the floor. Are we ready? 1 minute and go. Hips up and down. At your own pace. We're not rushing. Come on. Eyes on the ceiling when you're up there. Gap between your chin and chest. Try to get head to knee level in one straight line. Come on. While you're up there, you can even squeeze your butt, engage further. Feet flat on the ground and your palms flat on the ground. Keep moving at your own pace. No rush. But try and improve the range of motion a little bit every step. Inhale, exhale, 10 seconds to go. Doing great. Come on. Nice work and done. Round 3, movement 1, world's greatest stretch. 30 seconds on each side and go. Come on. We're not trying to speed in this movement or go fast, but we're trying to get the elbow down to the floor each movement or each rep. Getting as low as possible is what will define better range of motion in this particular exercise. Come on. Chest upright, change side. Go. 30 seconds, come on. We're doing good. This is your last round. Use this exercise or movement before every workout. It's a great warm-up tool. Inhale and exhale. Brilliant. Come on. Almost there. And done. Second one is the butt kick. Are we ready? 1 minute and go. Kick. Come on. This is your third round, your last round. You know the movement extremely well. Heel to butt. Upper body firm, back flat, straight. Nice. Letting go of all the stiffness that you have accumulated around your knee due to inactivity. Breathe in, breathe out, and keep moving. Doing good. 10 seconds to go. Don't stop now. Let's finish this strong. Good work. And done. The third movement is the tabletop position. 1 minute at your own pace, okay? And go. Hips up and down. I'm sure you can take your hips a little higher now. After the first and second round, your body would have opened up so much more and it's so much more warmer. And as the body gets warm, your muscles also tend to get a lot more supple, which means they're going to be more flexible. Keep going. Nice work. Feet flat on the ground. Don't lift your heel or your toes off the ground. And your palms flat on the ground. Come on, raise up and down. 10 seconds. Doing good. Come on, almost there. And done.
Good job on that workout. Now a lot of people I meet complain about knee injuries, and in most cases it's not even an injury. It could be stiffness around your joints, which could probably lead to an injury if ignored, and it can be treated in the right time with the right kind of mobility training.
Yes, you heard that right. Now be consistent with your mobility workouts, standalone or as a warm-up, and you will see all your stiffness disappear slowly. Signing off on that note, see you in session 4.